El segmento del transporte pesado tiene en Volvo Trucks Buses un protagonista de enorme importancia, tanto por los productos con sobradas capacidades y nivel de eficiencia, sino por la dotación tecnológica de sus modelos que se benefician de lo último tanto para el confort como, y en especial, para la seguridad. Además de la renovación de su gama, el principal y más reciente paso de la filial argentina de la compañía sueca fue la incorporación de su nuevo director comercial. Se trata de Björn Andersson, quien tomó la conducción de Volvo Trucks Buses Argentina hace apenas un par de meses. Este directivo llega con una importante trayectoria en el rubro y dentro de la compañía, lo que le permite tener una clara visión de las características y realidades de los diferentes mercados. En un mano a mano exclusivo, le preguntamos a Andersson si el mercado argentino guarda alguna similitud con otros por lo que pasó en su carrera.
Yes, in my previous markets I have seen markets that are similar to Argentina, mainly when it comes to the distances and the road infrastructure, where we see big similarities. And I also see some similarities with customers. So we have, in many of my previous markets in the Middle East and even in Turkey, we see very professional customers with big fleets, with a strong focus on professional operation and with safety and quality at their core. So definitely I have the same type of experience.
Ya enfocados netamente en el mercado argentino, le preguntamos al flamante director de la marca qué ha visto y qué conclusiones puede sacar en estos 2 meses de los segmentos en los que la compañía participa.
I think here, first of all, during these 2 months, it's been a tremendous experience in Argentina, in this most beautiful country, and it's amazing people. So we are feeling very welcome in this country, which is fantastic. Then, of course, when it comes to the business, it's taking me a little bit time to analyze the market, to understand, and I see already the potential in growth, what we have seen so far this year. Then going into the details, looking at our different product lines, still we see good potential growing in our F line, in the FH and FM on road. There we still see we have a lot to do when it comes to grabbing market share from our competitors. Then going into the FMX, the construction and mining, also we need to do a lot more. We are not so strong there, so we need to work a lot more with our customers, show our fantastic products, what they can do. And then as well on the VM line, we have started this year and we have done a big jump when it comes to the volumes in VM this year. So we see very good development in the medium heavy duty as well, and there we are focusing heavily on the vocational use. So looking at agriculture as an example, there we will do a lot of efforts this year.
El respaldo técnico es un punto clave para el mantenimiento y atención de un camión. Por ende, la red es un protagonista central en dicha cuestión, tanto desde la dotación y capacidad de sus talleres como de la capacitación del personal.
When it comes to the relationship with our dealers, we are working with them closely and we have a very good dialogue, and we are also offering them training paths for all their technicians. So we are following on each dealer their performance on rolling out training to their technicians to make sure that we have the level of technicians that our customers' products deserve. So there is a big focus on this, and this will continue. And this was also related to when we look at our dealers, how we will continue to grow. When our volumes are growing, we need to make sure that our network is ready to take care of these new trucks that are on the road.
Volvo Trucks Buses fue el primer ganador por partida doble de la primera edición de los test de choque impartidos por la EuronCap. Esta es la resultante del énfasis que la marca pone en el rubro seguridad y que la lleva a tener supremacía por sobre las otras compañías.
Since safety is part of our core values, and that's been part of our founders' first announcements when they founded our brand. This will always be the core and the most focused core value that we have. And of course, we are spending a lot of research and development on continue to develop our products to be even more safe. And this is of course because for us this is a given. We must be the most safe truck for our customers, and that we will never deviate from this promise.
Thank you very much.
Muchas gracias.